What if the same place where millions of Americans buy groceries every week just handed them the keys to one of the most important pieces of blockchain infrastructure in existence? That future is here right now. Walmart's own fintech powerhouse has quietly rolled out support for Chainlink, putting real decentralized Oracle technology directly into the hands of everyday retail customers. Welcome to the generational wealth community, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. We don't chase hype, we decode the market. Let's break down exactly what happened and why this move matters more than most headlines in crypto right now. OnePay, the consumer fintech platform majority owned by Walmart, announced on March 20th that it was expanding its crypto offerings inside its mobile app. After launching with Bitcoin and Ethereum earlier in the year, OnePay added 10 additional assets, including Chainlink's native token. Customers can now buy, sell, and hold Chainlink directly within the same trusted OnePay app they already use for everyday banking and payments. A few days later, they added even more tokens. But the inclusion of Chainlink stood out because it brings institutional-grade infrastructure to a mainstream audience, an audience that has never touched crypto before. For those who may be newer to the space, Chainlink is not just another token. It is the leading decentralized Oracle network, the secure bridge that connects smart contracts on blockchains to real-world data, events, and payments. Without oracles like Chainlink, decentralized finance simply cannot function at scale. It powers price feeds, cross-chain transfers through its cross-chain interoperability protocol, and verifiable randomness, all secured by a global network of independent node operators. Today, Chainlink already secures trillions of dollars in on-chain value across major institutions and protocols. This latest development does not change Chainlink's core technology. It simply opens the on-ramp wider for everyday Americans to participate. Think about the scale here. OnePay is building what it calls an everything app for digital finance, designed specifically for customers who are new to crypto but already trust the Walmart brand. These are not speculative traders chasing the next meme coin. These are regular people who shop at Walmart every week, pay their bills through the app, and now have a simple, regulated way to own a piece of the infrastructure layer that powers the next generation of finance. Walmart's reach means millions of new potential users can access Chainlink without needing to navigate unfamiliar exchanges or complicated wallets. That kind of distribution is rare and extremely valuable in crypto. What makes this especially noteworthy is the timing. Chainlink continues to expand its real-world utility through partnerships with major financial players, data providers, and even government entities. The network recently brought official U.S. macroeconomic data on-chain and enabled seamless cross-border experiments with central banks. Every new integration strengthens the flywheel. More data, more secure applications, more adoption. By appearing in OnePay's curated lineup, alongside established names like Solana, XRP, and Polkadot, Chainlink is being positioned as a core, utility-focused asset rather than a speculative play. That alignment with long-term infrastructure is exactly the kind of quiet signal we track closely at Generational Wealth. Of course, this is still early. OnePay's crypto feature is focused on buying, selling, and custody for now. There is no public announcement of deeper technical integration, such as using Chainlink oracles inside Walmart systems, but the door is now open. When a retailer the size of Walmart begins normalizing crypto ownership for its customer base, it accelerates the shift from niche technology to everyday utility. It also puts gentle but real pressure on the rest of traditional finance to catch up. From a market perspective, this kind of mainstream visibility tends to compound over time. Users who start by simply holding Chainlink in their OnePay app often explore further, discover its role in decentralized applications, and become part of the broader ecosystem. That organic education loop is far more powerful than any marketing campaign. As always, we focus on the fundamentals here. Chainlink's network continues to grow, its total value secured, its cross-chain capabilities keep maturing, and its reputation as the industry standard oracle remains unchallenged. The OnePay integration is simply the latest proof point that the infrastructure layer is being noticed by the biggest players in traditional retail. Subscribe for daily recaps, drop a comment on your biggest takeaway, and turn on notifications. We do a crypto news video every morning and a deep dive every afternoon. Let us know in the comments any subjects you'd like us to cover. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only, and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile, Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.